y'all. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you are returning, as always, thank you. And if it's your first time, don't let it be your last time, especially if you are vibing with the content, me, all of that good stuff. Make sure that you don't forget to subscribe. Also, when you subscribe, make sure you turn that bell notification on. Otherwise, you're just subscribed, but you're missing out when I post. So with that being said, I am about to fuss a little bit. Some of y'all don't have your bell notifications on, and I need y'all to turn it on. Otherwise, you missing out on the content. Now that we got past that, I just want to say my hair looks a mess. It's clearly time for a retwist, but I will be doing a maintenance vlog soon because I'm about to go on vacation. So also stay tuned for that content if that's your thing and you know you like the whole getting beautified and all of that good stuff. So next time y'all see me, I'll probably look like a whole different person. That being said, good thing we're not here for me. Y'all clicked on the video for these. I am so excited to unbox these. First of all, I haven't had a pair of New Balance in I don't know how many years. But New Balance said if y'all sleep, we about to wake you up, okay? We about to wake you up. I've been seeing so many different New Balances, and I'm planning to get more styles. They have the ones that I'm about to show y'all. You got the Joe Fresh goods. You got just a whole bunch of different stuff, and I'm here for it. So these were going to be in my upcoming fall/winter haul. That's gonna be a big haul. So these will be the only thing that I'm gonna show y'all that's from that haul. If you want to see the rest of it, you're gonna have to stay tuned, and like I said, make sure that you subscribe and turn your bell notification on. All right, I'm done rambling, so now I'm gonna show y'all the shoes. This is what we working with. Let me just show y'all the box. All right, and I'm gonna have on the screen like how long it took to ship, price, all that good information. Of course, if y'all have more questions, drop them down in the comment section. So let's get to the shoes. I'm so freaking obsessed. Okay. Do y'all see that? A shoe. A shoe. Look at, first of all, the silhouette. I think my light is too bright. Okay. The silhouette. Everything. Colorway. Everything. Of course, I always love when they have the I think it's 3M, but it like basically reflects. Love that. So I feel like it's a more updated like dad shoe, and I feel like the whole dad shoe is in with sandals and sneakers. So let me get both of them. Literally the only thing that I wish is that they added the pull string, the little loop on the back, so that you could like pull the back of the shoe on, which that's every shoe. Like if it don't have that, I'd be kind of upset about it, but I'll live. So again, y'all, I am just living for the colorway, the design of the shoe. Of course, the brown and the gray and this little bit of tan in the back screams fall. Screams fall. Of course, I'm gonna do a portion where I, you know, give y'all a little on foot, show you how they look walking around, standing, different angles, probably give y'all a little montage action. They are true to size. I didn't have to size up or down. I got my normal size, y'all. I'm usually a women's 8, sometimes at 8.5, depending on the shoe and how it fits. These are a men's 7, which converts to a women's 8.5. I was gonna show y'all, but I don't think y'all be able to see the tongue. I'm not sure. Oh, okay. So yeah, that's our shoe. And people on TikTok were asking about these. I actually bought these because I saw a girl on TikTok unboxing, and I ran right over to New Balance and snatched these up. I'm telling y'all, if y'all haven't seen none of the New Balances that they've been dropping, I suggest you get on it before everybody starts snatching them up. We all know, of course, New Balance has always been an affordable shoe, and I feel like they just really stepping into their fashion bag now with some of the designs and colorways and collabs that they've been doing. As far as I know, when people would ask, I would just say these are the New Balance 9060. And then the color is U9060BRN. I don't know if that's abbreviation for brown, but yeah. That's the shoe. I'm gonna go ahead and do our cute little montage.
Slime out the cage and shorty tried to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed, cause every song that I made is ringing like I got engaged. Love my guys, I wouldn't trade, ay, from the cradle to the grave, ay. Gordo got me on the way, ay, and got me on the way, ay. Couple hits, now you brave, wait, niggas better behave, but all that pumping up your chest, but all that talk about the best, but you know how sticky it get, you know how sticky it get, ay, you know how sticky it get.